Our next extract is Unbirthday and Other Presents by E.V. Lucas. Here, the author is trying to explain us that the unbirthday presents are the most well wished and very happily enjoyed gifts these days. The customary gifts are of no more value to us these days. These are just bound by certain dates and occasions approaching near us. Unbirthday presents are the unofficial and are spontaneous gifts given to an individual. They bring more happiness to us than the occasionary or customary gifts. Here, the author tries to explain us that the traditional gifts are also lacking love and affection these days. Now, let's have a look at the summary of these types of presents. Now, the author tries to explain us that there are just 3 types of presents given to an individual. One is on a birthday, second is on the wedding day, and third is on Christmas day. Eventually, these have become a functionary and customary gifts for everybody. You are bound to give these gifts with an affection that there is an occasion approaching, bound by dates or by certain financial constraints. Now here the author tries to explain the happiness involved in gifting and receiving an unbirthday present which is spontaneous, out of bloom, and it is a surprise gift for everybody. Desires for the present. Everybody desires to have presents on certain occasions. Well, we know that it has become mandatory to gift a present or give a present on a birthday or a wedding day or a Christmas day. Now, this is customary. Had there been no enthusiasm involved in the level of gifts and birthdays, these gifts would have also become very customary and very untraditional. Now, eventually, now that we give unbirthday presents, we involve some level of happiness because those are spontaneous, that have a thought involved in them, and a feeling of happiness and love is intrigued while buying an unbirthday present. Reasons behind unbirthday present. There can be various reasons explained by the author for an unbirthday present. For an unbirthday present can be a spark of loving somebody, an association or a correlation of some relation with that present, or the moment or a moment of happiness provided to you by somebody that leads to an unbirthday present. Some other special occasion of love of a child coming into your life. These are certain reasons that the author has given to us for buying unbirthday presents in life. Mechanical gifts. Now, mechanical gifts, as explained by the author in the first part of the extract, was that the various types of gifts or presents given to us are on wedding, birthday and Christmas. These are the mechanical gifts. We are tuned to buy a gift on somebody's birthday, wedding or on Christmas. Now, we are attuned to buy these gifts with the approaching occasion or bound by the dates. Here, when somebody is not very much interested in gifting somebody, then there are certain financial constraints required. We need to have a will and a love, a feeling to gift somebody something that does not inquire, should be or be forced by dates. The author's liking. Now the author has a personal liking in giving wedding gifts as well. He has pulled up a special gift for brides to be given away. He talks of an ivory box packed with 3 different stamps, and he talks of pulling those stamps eventually, but at the end those stamps will be gone and only a beautiful creation of ivory box will be left behind as a gift. So this is a mere thinking that needs to be instilled in every human being, that a gift should be given with the right thoughtfulness, with the level of love in one's mind, not with just the approaching mandates and the customary gifts given. That is all for the day. Thank you and all the very best for your exams.